channel. My name is Sonja, for those of you stopping by for the very first time. Today I'm going to be taking you along as I declutter and organize my linen closet. As you can see, my linen closet is a hot mess. It's a disaster, and I need to figure out a way to organize it and keep it organized. I'm just looking, I asked my daughter to fold the sheets yesterday and just leave them on top of the counter in the laundry room, and they are up there, and I think she just threw them up there. So anyways, we're gonna work on the linen closet today, and then on the next day I am going to do a refresh in my laundry room as well. It seems to be a continuing mess. You would think that when you have toddlers, your laundry room is bad. No, just wait till you have young adults or teenagers and they're doing laundry, and it's just a mess. It's a mess. So we gotta get this organized because it's driving me absolutely insane. So I'm going to be using these baskets. They are by the company called Goodpick. You can find these on Amazon. I love these baskets. I had worked with this company before, and they were kind enough to send me 3 of these. It's a set. I'm thinking I'm going to use these to separate our sheets because the ones that I have in there are really not working. Like I said, I have used this company before. I have a giant laundry basket that I love that travels from room to room, and I can just empty everything out of the dryer, fold it up, and just take it where it needs to go, or I can fold it up and store it away if I'm not using it. I have baskets that I'm using for dog toys, for shoes, for all of my winter gear. They are wonderful, extremely durable, and the best part, they are budget friendly. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to be using these in just a little bit, but I'm going to get started on decluttering this. So I'm going to take everything off and then start from scratch. So as you can see, I pulled out the laundry divider, and I have it divided: lights, darks, towels, and underwear and pajama bottoms. And then I also have a basket for kitchen rags, and then we have my daughter is a lifeguard, so she has some bathing suit stuff. We also wash gym stuff separately, so I have a lot of separate laundry dividers, or what you not call it, but only this one fits into the space here, so I have to figure that one out as well. I don't even pay attention to the laundry room, but I don't really have a lot of real estate here to add another divider, which I could totally use one more like this. And this one is broken as well, so but I would like to find one. Maybe there's one that is not as big. Maybe one, if we can add a couple more of these in here, that would work too. We'll see what the solution I come up with, but that's not what we're concentrating on now. We're concentrating on getting that sorted out. So the first thing that I'm doing is removing everything off the shelf, getting a clean slate set up. I want to take everything off, sort it, see what I need to toss, and then I also want to dust and clean the shelves, and I also want to vacuum up the bottom of the closet as well.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are
So I had removed all the sheets. They're over there. And then there's these two baskets have sheets. I have tablecloths, seasonal kitchen rags, towels, more sheets and pillows and all sorts of stuff. Look at the mess at the bottom. That has to get vacuumed and cleaned. So these are cleaned. So I'm going to try and figure out how I'm going to do this. I think I'm going to keep the sheets here, towels here, and then up top I'm going to see what I should do. I think I'm going to remove the blankets from here because we each have our own blankets in our room, so there's no need for this. I do need room to store extra toilet paper and stuff like that, so I think I'm going to use that for here. But I'm going to start off with towels just because it's easier to get out of off the floor. So first thing that I'm going to be doing is going through the towels that are on the floor here. These are hand towels, and I have actually decided instead of trying to find a place to store them in here, they tend to just get lost with all the big towels. I did have a basket originally for them, but nobody was putting them in the basket when they were putting away the towels. They were just putting them in with the big towels. So now I have two different baskets in both bathrooms, and I'm going to divide these and put those in there so that way everybody knows that the hand towels, when they get out of the dryer, go into those baskets in the bathrooms. That way I'm never stuck without a towel if I need one and there isn't one, and also it keeps them out of here and getting all lost and not being able to find them. I'm also going to be folding my regular towels a little different. I usually had them just folded into a square, and I'm going to be folding them into a rectangle. I did find that if I fold them into squares, there is a lot of empty shelf space left over in front of it, and I was considering even doubling them up, but I know that's not gonna work. So folding them up lengthwise in a kind of a rectangular shape, I think I'm going to be able to fit more towels on the shelf, and they will all be right there visible for everybody. So I have these type of towels. They're actually, my kids both played water polo, and they were great towels to have when they got out of the pool because they're super absorbent. But they no longer play water polo, but my daughter is a lifeguard and she still uses these for that. So I have a couple of those. I also keep beach towels here because my son actually likes using them for his showers all the time. So, and they are the Costco brand, so they're quite large. They're actually all in a wash right now, so you can't see them. So I thought I usually put those on top shelf, but I might be able to actually fit them here now. And now one of the funnest things to do is fold these sheets. Oh my goodness, the fitted sheets, I thought I had it figured out at one point, but apparently I do not. I do not love to fold these at all. I've tried, I watched videos, tried different methods, and I can just never fold them the proper way. But I'm going to use these baskets to store our sheet sets. Now I have a couple extra ones, mostly pillowcases, and then I have like a quilt for our bed, and then a lot of our fitted sheets, they get destroyed before the pillowcases do. So I do have overflow of pillowcases. So the pillowcases and the extra actual like duvet and duvet covers are going to go in a different section, in a different basket. But these 3 baskets I'm going to be using for things that we use on weekly basis when we switch out the switch out our bedding. So that way it's accessible. And one basket is going to be for my husband and I bedding. That's large king size sheets, and then the kids have both queen size, and they all have their own separate sheet sets. So I was able to fit 3 sets of fitted sheet, flat sheets, and pillowcases for king, and then each kids have 4 sets in their basket. So they seem pretty small, the baskets, but they do hold quite a bit. And I like that they have handles. The other baskets that I was using from dollar store, they ripped from being pulled out all the time, so these should work much better for that, and I'm excited to use them. If you would like to get these baskets yourself, I will have a link down below for you to check them out. I absolutely love them, and I hope you guys find them as good as I do. So I'm going to put the extra stuff at the back corner, and then I'm going to add the baskets here. And I think this is going to be fairly easy to use for reaching and getting the proper sheets, but also for putting sheets away. I just, like you saw, rolled them all and put them in there. In the other ones that I had, the baskets, these with the lids, I actually decided to add my seasonal kitchen dish towels, as well as the table runners that I have for different seasons, and that way it can be closed and stored away. I'm also going to use them for another box I'm going to use for, I have Euro shams, they're decorative, so I'm going to be using that basket for that. I have also decided to use a basket for toilet paper rolls, because I do buy a giant pack of them, and I find once you open the bag, they just kind of fall apart all over the shelves. So I have a basket in each bathroom that I put extra ones, but I always have an overflow of ones, so I'm going to add those into the basket, and I just have to make sure I remember to tell my family that they are in the basket now, because everybody's going to be looking for toilet paper if I forget to tell them. So I'm just going to finish up folding the rest of the items that need to be put away, and I can't wait to show you what the closet looks like. And here it is. I think this turned out pretty good. I can't believe I have so much room now. I do have a full load of towels to wash, so that's gonna fill up the rest of the space, but it's so much better than what it was. And over here I put stuff to donate, so these 2 things I'm gonna donate. The rest are flat sheets, and I'm going to actually take those over to my mom. She can sew duvet covers from them, and also I'm going to get her to make me some extra sheets for my daycare cots, as well as the fitted sheets for the playpens. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out Goodpicks. I will have the link down below for you to check them out. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.